Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss one of the most important HTML interview questions. Why do we use the viewport meta tag? So if you have ever created an HTML file, you have probably copied this line from a tutorial like meta name, viewport, import content, like width, device width, initial scale, right? These one. So, but you have but have you ever wondered what does this line actually do, or what happens if we remove it? Let's understand this with a simple real world example. So imagine this. Suppose you are a photographer. You take a beautiful photo. Now imagine trying to fit that same photo into a 65-inch TV, a laptop, mobile phone. The screen size are completely different, right? So if you don't adjust the photo properly, it may look too zoomed, too small, cut off. The same thing happens with a website. So today people visit a website using phone, laptops, desktop, computers, smart TVs. So every device has a different screen size. So how does the browser know how to display your web page? That's where the viewport meta tag comes in. So let's look at the code. So in this code you can see, let's break it. First part is name is equal to viewport. So this tells the browser I am giving you instructions about the visible area of the web page. Think of the viewport as the screen through which user look at your website. So second part is width is equal to device width. So this means set the web page width equal to the width of the user's device. If someone opens your website on mobile, the web page becomes mobile width. If someone uses laptop, the web page becomes laptop width. Simple. And third part is initial scale is equal to 1.0. So this tells the browser don't zoom in or zoom out when the page first load. Display everything at its normal size. So what happens without this tag? Now imagine removing it completely. Many mobile browsers assume your web page was designed only for the desktop, so they try to fit the entire desktop website onto a tiny phone screen. The result is tiny text, zoomed out layout, poor user experience. User immediately start pitching and zooming. Nobody like that, right? So real world example is, imagine you are so in that case you can use now I think you have better understanding why we are using the meta viewport. Okay, so here is your interview question. Why do we use the viewport meta tag? So if an interviewer asks you, then you can simply give the answer. The viewport meta tag tells the browser how to control the web page's size and scaling on different device. It helps create responsive website that display correctly on mobiles, tablets and desktop. So common beginner some mistake, many beginners copies this without knowing why. Don't memorize it, understand it, because interviews doesn't don't test your memories, they test your understanding, right? So this is all about the meta viewport. Thank you.